If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in doing event marketing. So what I want to do in the next couple of minutes is help you figure out if the Event Marketing Success Kit can help you. So here's the thing. Companies who are involved in MSP, MSSP, IT services, data center, whatever aspect of technology they're involved in, are probably doing lunch and learns, and you're probably doing lunch and learns. We've been doing them for years. I can't even begin to number how many lunch and learns I've done. But when I started looking back early on at what the conversion rates were, I noticed the problem, and that is that a lot of these events aren't converting. So we've got vendors sponsoring, providing marketing funds. We have people spending hours on the phone, sending out mailers, sending out emails, putting together these events, renting space, buying food, getting people together. And at the end of it, all we have is maybe some customer awareness, some customer appreciation. We've met some more people perhaps, but it's not leading to sales. Now, what do we do about this? Well, years ago, I was doing these programs. And when I looked at the response rate, when I looked at the conversion rates, what I found was my audience was interested. They showed up, they liked the event, they gave us high marks. At the end of the day, they didn't buy anything. And as a result, we had spent a lot of time and a lot of money to get a pat on the back. That is not why we do these events. We do these events to generate income, to create business, to create long-term business. And we started to study every aspect of the Lunch and Learn meeting. Everything from how you get the right people there. Who are the right people? What will get them to take an entire couple of hours out of their day to drive to an event, sit there and listen to speakers, and then leave? What should the topics be? What are they interested in? What's going to compel them to move? What should we convert to? Should we give them a discount on something? Should we give them a product? Should we give away an iPad? What should we do at the end of the event to get a conversion? And as we studied this out, we found that there are so many factors that play into that conversion process. The speaker has to move them to action. There has to be an action to move to. That action has to lead to more business. There has to be an ascension at the end of that. But even down to the things like who should speak, how many speakers, what time of day, what kind of food, how to seat the people, where it should be. All these different factors actually play into the success of your event. So I took 20 years of lunch and learn experience, and I compiled it into some training to show you step by step exactly what to do, and into a field guide which walks you through every single facet, every aspect of what it means to get the right audience in and convert them to action and turn it into long-term business. So I will take you through that entire process right here in the Marketing Success Kit. This one program right here can revolutionize what you do in marketing. Every event that you do can turn into a profit center. In fact, we even show you how to get funding for it so that you're not paying for these events. In fact, you can be making a profit on these events before they even happen. So take this kit, go through it. And if you go through it and you find that you've done what I've said to do, and you've done your event, and you don't see success, I will give you back your money. Because this does work. I've been doing Lunch and Learns since 1995. Today, I speak at Lunch and Learns every single month with clients that I work with. And what are we finding? We're finding conversion rates that are 75, 80, 90% of our audience converting to something. And that something is the security assessment. We show you how to make that conversion, we give you a closing script, and we even provide a free risk assessment template that shows you exactly what you should be doing once you close them into that. And what does that do? It creates justification. So if you're trying to sell security, if you're using security to drive your business, Lunch and Learns are a great way to go if you follow the program. And it really is a recipe. We've put it in that simple form so that you can take it and apply it tomorrow. So take a look. If you have questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And again, we guarantee it because it does work. And we look forward to working with you as you apply these things.